Kunihiko Morinaga's Spring-Summer 2026 collection for Anrealage isn't chasing futurism for its own sake. It's rooted in something far more intimate, the idea that clothes live because we live in them. They crease with us, warm against us, soften over time, and eventually wear out, a quiet echo of our own lifespan. This season takes that truth and pushes it into a space where technology and emotion meet. Morinaga isn't trying to give garments consciousness, he's giving them behavior. Hems quiver, ruffles tremble, silhouettes twitch with a subtle, creature-like motion that continues even when the body inside them goes still. It's less spectacle than a meditation on the life that exists between fabric and skin. The most spellbinding pieces weren't the wired hems at all, but the garments that moved in a kinetic, organic way, as if they were breathing alongside the wearer. These silhouettes didn't just flutter, they responded, becoming almost symbiotic with the body inside them. The motion felt strangely natural, like a living creature adjusting its rhythm to match its host. It carried a quiet sci-fi charge, the best kind of Star Trek energy, lifting the viewer into a state of wonder and contemplation. You couldn't help but ask, is this the future of clothing? From there, the collection shifted from mechanical life to human life. Morinaga collaborated with HERALBONY, incorporating artwork from 18 neurodivergent and disabled artists into vivid prints that ranged from pointillism to street art abstraction. These weren't just patterns, they were crystallizations of lived experience, translated into fabric through Kyocera's digital printing. On oversized coats, tailored skirts and undulating dresses, the artwork became a pulse of color, bright, irregular, deeply alive. The playful prints, the joyful color, and the inclusiveness of the craft gave the entire collection an optimistic view of the future of fashion, one where technology amplifies humanity rather than replacing it. Accessories continued the theme of animated surfaces, with screens that blinked or flashed emojis, and furry bags with reactive tails developed with Yukai engineering. The boots that had their own heartbeat, the emoji handbags. Instead of feeling gimmicky, they extended the collection's central idea: clothing that responds, reacts, and participates. Thomas Bangalter's soundtrack, a mix of heartbeat rhythms and the raw sounds of artists making marks on paper, tied everything together. Spring-Summer 26 isn't about tech wizardry. It's about what it means to be human in a world shaped by technology. The tremor of emotion, the imprint of creativity, the movement that continues even in stillness. Morinaga's clothes don't pretend to be alive, they honor the life we bring to them. They remind us that fashion isn't static. It breathes, it remembers, it carries us, and sometimes, if we're paying attention, it moves on its own.
Thank you.